BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a look on headlines. BSTU report core team, a group of rovers and rangers working on the back end data analysis along with the UNICEF. BSG members came ahead as COVID warriors by conducting various activities like creating awareness, supporting administration, rendering service at quarantine centers, vaccination centers, etc. Hero Level, the fourth level in plastic tide turners badge training conducted by the World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts. Advancement of youth program during the pandemic. Digital scouting guiding to be implemented by BSG. Preparatory meeting held on 11th May 2021. Doctor episode 3 was successfully conducted by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. 168th birth anniversary of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore was celebrated by BSG. Mother's Day was celebrated by the members of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Food water distribution point started at STC ITI Bargaon of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Plastic tide turners workshop conducted by Southern Region. Awareness on champion level plastic tide turners challenge organized virtually on 7th May 2021. UNICEF and BSG joined hands as young warriors and a revised Sankalp activity pack issued. Sankalp 2 of BSG attracted a number of members in the nation as well as in the neighboring countries. The TOCO campaign is organizing all over Chhattisgarh for COVID prevention and vaccination. News in brief. Team BSG working on new report orientation program by UNICEF. The U-Report orientation meeting started at 4 p.m. on 12th May. The meeting was moderated by Ms. Swati Verma from UNICEF. She gave a brief introduction about U-Report, how it works and its objectives. An orientation was conducted on GOT platform and how to create polls. BSG members from all over the country were present as Team BSG who actively participated in the session. More sessions will follow soon. BSG members coming ahead as COVID warriors in the community by conducting various activities like creating awareness, supporting administration, rendering service at quarantine centers, vaccination centers, etc. BSG members from district Sibsagar, Kamrup rural of Assam state creating awareness among public about COVID-19. NF Railway BSG members creating awareness, distributing masks to the needy at Guwahati on 3rd May. Members of Katihar division of NF Railway pray for the safe and healthy life for everyone. Unit leaders of Darjeeling district of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed masks to the local people of Darjeeling and also organized a sanitization drive. The members of Netaji Scout Group and Nivedita Guide Group, Perambur District Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized COVID vaccination awareness campaign at Chennai Central Suburban Railway Station on 8th May 2021 by displaying awareness boards, video clips and models, etc. Shimoga District Association Karnataka BSG is providing food for needy. Srimati Pallavi Nath Karni, Cupmaster, Jain Heritage School Belagavi, distributed the dry food grains to the corporation frontline workers on the occasion of Mother's Day. Hospital service and N95 mask distribution by Chikmagalur District Chief and Office Bearers. World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts have started advocacy and peer trainers training in plastic tide turners champions, which is known as a Wave Makers Hero Level. 32 members from various state associations are representing the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The last session was held on 9th May 2021 in which the sessions were facilitated by Rojo and Leo from VAX. A meeting on advancement of youth program was successfully conducted under the leadership of Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director of Eastern Region on 11th May 2021, in which 10 unit leaders from various states participated. During the meeting, sessions of Pravesh syllabus for Scouts and Guides were divided and finalized with the consent of the unit leaders. On 9th May 2021, Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a virtual meeting on formation of District Youth Committee in which District Organizing Commissioner Scouts and Guides were present. The meeting was virtually graced by Mr. Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary of Bihar State. A progressive and productive discussion on youth policies was made. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully conducted the third episode of their new initiative Doctor on 12th May 2021. The event was virtually inaugurated by Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner, Odisha. Plenary session on increasing oxygen level and being relaxed was taken by Resource Speaker Mrs. Ankita Devdarshi Rath, Bachelor's in Physiotherapy, Bengaluru. More than 100 members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides joined in the episode. Rabindra Jayanti is an annually celebrated cultural festival around the world in remembrance of Rabindranath Tagore's birth anniversary. It is celebrated on 25th day of Baisakh month to commemorate the 160th birth anniversary of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Members of Eastern Railway, South Eastern Railway, West Bengal celebrated virtual Rabindra Jayanti on 9th May 2021 with cultural program presented by the Scout Guide members. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family or individual as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in our society. On the auspicious occasion of Mother's Day on 9th May 2021, the members of Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides paid tribute to their mothers by the token of love made by them. Food and water distribution point was inaugurated on 12th May 2021 by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides Training Center, Bargaon ITI, in the presence of Tahsildar of Bargaon. Madhubani district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a virtual meeting on fighting COVID-19 on 9th May 2021 under the leadership of Mr. Keshav Kumar Singh, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. On 10th May 2021, Jahanabad district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a virtual meeting on digital scouting, highlighting its importance in the present scenario of COVID pandemic under the leadership of Mr. Harishankar Kumar, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. Mrs. Nirmala Kalishetty, Leader Trainer Bulbul, also retired Assistant State Organizing Commissioner Guide of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides, and Mrs. Bharati Rai, Leader Trainer Guide of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides, passes away. Bharat Scouts and Guides pay homage to the dedicated and passionate leaders of the movement. Plastic Tide Turners Workshop, Southern Region BSG Awareness on Champion Level Plastic Tide Turners Challenge organized virtually on 7th May 2021. Master of the ceremony was led very effectively by Vedashri Sai and Shri Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director of Scouts Boy Program, graced the webinar. Many youth leaders take input sessions in the webinar under the leadership of Mrs. Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director, Southern Region. State level officials of NE regional states meet on 10th May 2021 at 11 a.m. virtually to discuss about the present situation. Scout Guide activities during the meeting was presided over by Dr. Dulal Debnath, State Secretary of Tripura State, Mrs. Amelia Swer, International Commissioner Guide, BSG, and many veteran leaders of Northeast region were present. Actively Pack of Sankalp 2 attracted many young all over the country and started working, which is reflected in social media. BSG appealed to all young people, scouts and non-scouts, to take part in the activity and be active at home, create a better society, a better nation. Members of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Raipur, showed heroism for rendering service in the prevailing pandemic following the COVID-19 guidelines, sanitizing areas, distributing masks, and raising awareness through posters. On May 6, 2021, Scout Guide Rover Ranger of Bharat Devangan Higher Secondary School, Karora, followed the Corona guidelines to increase the immunity of their body by doing BP6, Surya Namaskara and Pranayama of the Scout Guide, exercising or doing yoga to increase immunity, and motivating people to plant trees in their localities. Under the guidance of Shri Vinod Shevanlal Chandrakarji, State Chief Commissioner of Chhattisgarh State, and under the direction of Shri Kailash Kumar Soniji, State Secretary, Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh, and UNICEF is jointly working to stop COVID-19 epidemic. The TOCO campaign is being run all over the Chhattisgarh for COVID prevention and vaccination, in line with which a virtual meeting was held on how to manage mental health in the time of COVID-19. The virtual meeting was attended by UNICEF Head Jakaria Abhishek Singh, Abhishek Tripathi, Dr. Sridhar Ji, Dr. Surabi, and Scouts and Guides. 458 participants attended. Scouts Deepak Dhruvanshi, Bhupesh Kumar Sahu, Kamlesh Devangan, Hemant Sahu, and other scouts are increasingly providing their service in Corona vaccination campaign organized at Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Abhanpur on 10th May 2021. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides Divisional Headquarters, Jodhpur organized a webinar on treatment and prevention from COVID-19 for district organizers, assistant district commissioners in charge of local associations, leader trainers, and secretariats of Bamar, Jaisalmer, Jalore, Jodhpur, Pali, and Sirohi. Dr. J.C. Mohanty was present as chief guest in the webinar. Online Interest Center is being run by Angel Team in Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Ujjain. On 9th May 2021, a webinar was organized by the Messenger of Peace team of Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Jabalpur, under the guidance of Assistant State Organizing Commissioner Shri Sukhdev Singh Chauhan. Complete your task by balancing with, make a habit of learning something new, keep practicing your old tasks so that he will be always efficient in his tasks. The program was attended by about 70 Scout Masters, Guide Captains, Scouts and Guides. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Shiopur office bearers with the team of Rover Ranger Ayush Department providing information about Kada distribution and COVID-19. The provision of nutrient foods to the needy people who became unemployed due to the lockdown caused by global epidemic coronavirus is continuously going in the State Training Center, Gandhinagar, Bhopal, under the auspices of State Headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Madhya Pradesh. Rovers of APJ Abdul Kalam Rover Crew, Raipur, are following the humanitarian religion of feeding and watering the nomadic animals following the COVID guidelines. In the same line, Rover Vipin Verma and Raj Devangan saved a buffalo that fell in the drain. The rovers rescued it with the help of a villager portraying the fifth law of the Scout Guide, that is, a scout is a friend of animals and loves nature. Upcoming events to beat the COVID-19 fear and engage its members, BSG India has come up with a number of virtual events in the coming days. To celebrate Menstrual Hygiene Day, webinar is organized on 24th, 26th and 28th May at 5 to 7 p.m. where experts and experience will be shared. Refer NHQ Circular number 48 for more information. 14th World Scout Youth Forum virtually. Refer NHQ Circular number 45 and 46. 32nd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree. Refer NHQ Circular number 16 and 42. Last date to apply is 31st May 2021. World Scout Mood Ireland 2022. Last date to apply is 15th May 2021. Refer NHQ Circular number 36. This is all for today's news. Stay safe, stay home. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.